Hi, this is to show you how you as an instructor can use the Grittytech platform. So first what you will have to do is provide us with an email ID or phone number with which you can use the platform. Now let's take an email ID as an example for this video. As soon as you provide us with that email ID, you would get an email invite which looks like this. This basically lets you know that you have been added as an instructor, and you will have to click on the Get Started button to get access to the platform. As soon as you click this button, you will get access to this page, which is a login page of the Grittytech Academy. Now you will have to log in with that same email ID that you have provided us with. Once you enter this, you would get a 4-digit OTP in your inbox. Please enter the 4-digit number that you would receive. As soon as you sign in, you would get access to the platform. This is your dashboard. On the left side, whichever course that you're assigned to will be on the left, and on the right side, it will show you your schedule and what are the timings whenever you will have to go live with your student. Now inside the course, first what you see is a timeline, which is basically a history of whatever happens inside this course. So you'll be able to see all the sessions that you would take or any activities that you would take inside the course will be visible in the timeline. Now to take a class with your student, you'll have to come here into the course or even in this page at the time of the class and click on Go Live and start the class. Now before this class starts, you would get 2 reminders. One is 1 hour before the class, that is at 9 p.m. if you're taking this class as an example. And the second reminder that you would get is at 9:50, which is 10 minutes before the class. Now as soon as the clock strikes 10 p.m., you can click on Go Live and start the class. Your student also will join the class in the same manner. Now once the class is done, you would find all your past sessions here. So once the class is done, you would see all the past sessions here with all the details of the class. Now after the class, let's say you want to give them some homework or conduct a test, you can come to Content and you can conduct different tests and exams. So starting with, let's say you want to add a video, you want to share some video file with them, you can upload the file here, PDF images or video files. Any links of any websites that you want to share, you can do that here. Any YouTube video links, you can share it here. Next, if again same thing, if you want to add any files, you can upload that here. Now, suppose you want to let your students know that about some announcement, some notice. Think of discussion as a notice board. It's just a way that you can interact with your students. So you can put in the title, put in a description. So for an example, if you're going to say that tomorrow the class that is already scheduled, you will be late or it's cancelled or you're just marking a day as a holiday, you can put in the details here and add the discussion. Now in the test, you can conduct all your objective papers in the test. So you can either type a question paper or you can upload the question paper. Now when you're typing and uploading a question paper, you will also be letting us know what your marking scheme is and what your options are. So you will also be letting us know the answers for this. So because of that, the students will get a system generated result back once the test is done. So you do not have to correct the paper, you will just have to type in the question. Same goes for when you choose to upload a test, right? So you will just have to upload a paper and you will get an OMR sheet where you can basically mark all the answers. Again, the results will come through the system. You do not have to correct the paper at all. Next is the polls feature, which is basically a 1-question poll or quiz that you can conduct for your students, where you just want to quickly get an understanding of their opinion or maybe just after the test, you can, after your live class, you can just basically put in a small one question quiz just to understand whether they understood the lesson or not. So put in the question, put in the options. If it's a poll, they'll just click on the option that they want and you can see. Or if you want it to be a quiz, you can click on quiz mode. If you want to show results immediately after they vote, you can. Otherwise, you can manually end the poll. If you want to turn off the comments, you can click on this. Next, we have the assessment feature, which is basically for your subjective papers or any other homework that you would like to give them. So put in the topic. You can add marks if you want to mark it, and you can schedule this as well. You can, in the description, you can also write some details that you want to provide before the assessment, some rules maybe, or you can put type in 1000 characters of questions. You can also basically upload a file, a PDF image with all the questions. Now, because it is a subjective paper, it cannot be marked by the system, so you will receive an image, PDF, video from your students. You will have to view it and mark them. Next is your YouTube links or any other link that you want. If you have a part of different courses and you want to copy one, some content from other course to another, you can click on copy resource and you will receive it from there. So this is about your course and what you can do inside the session, right? Now you can also see your calendar here, where you can basically see when all the sessions are scheduled, right? You can also see when you're unavailable as per whatever timings that you would provide to your admin team, what is upcoming, what is missed or cancelled, and what is conducted. Once you share your working hours to your admin, you will be able to share it here and you will be able to see it here once it's set up by your admin team. The leaves that you apply, you will have to apply with your admin team, and once they allow, you can apply you can add your leaves here as well, so it will reflect in your calendar that will be viewed by your student. Any session conflicts that would occur when someone assigns classes to you will be visible here and will be visible here as well, and it will be corrected by your admin team. So this is how you have to use the Grittytech platform and take your classes for your students.